She is wearing a graduation gown proudly. She is wearing a graduation gown proudly. She has completed her education successfully. She has completed her education successfully. She is walking toward the ceremony hall. She is walking toward the ceremony hall. She has achieved an extraordinary milestone. She has achieved an extraordinary milestone. She is holding her diploma confidently. She is holding her diploma confidently. She has received her graduation certificate. She has received her graduation certificate. She is celebrating this remarkable achievement. She is celebrating this remarkable achievement. She has thanked her teacher sincerely. She has thanked her teachers sincerely. She is listening to the inspirational speech. She is listening to the inspirational speech. She has prepared herself for a new journey. She has prepared herself for a new journey. She is taking memorable graduation photos. She is taking memorable graduation photos. She has celebrated this significant occasion happily. She has celebrated this significant occasion happily. She is waving at her supportive family. She is waving at her supportive family. She has earned great appreciation from everyone. She has earned great appreciation from everyone. She is wearing an elegant graduation cap. She is wearing an elegant graduation cap. She has developed valuable skills during her studies. She has developed valuable skills during her studies. She is receiving congratulations from her friends. She is receiving congratulations from her friends. She has overcome many academic challenges. She has overcome many academic challenges. She is enjoying the joyful celebration. She is enjoying the joyful celebration. She has created unforgettable memories today. She has created unforgettable memories today. She is expressing gratitude to her parents. She is expressing gratitude to her parents. She has reached an exceptional level of success. She has reached an exceptional level of success. She is planning her future career carefully. She is planning her future career carefully. She has gained confidence through education. She has gained confidence through education. She is beginning a promising new chapter. She is beginning a promising new chapter.